As we all know, our favorite no-code platforms are loaded with functionality. They have actions for almost everything. But a lot of the times, you want to make something just a little bit better, and it's not available to you. So I'm going to show you an example of how Summit allows you to build custom actions that you can use inside your no-code builder without having to change the platform that you're using. So in this case, I have a daily weather report that I'm sending out, and I'm currently using the Weather by Zapier built-in component. And it's okay because I passed in latitude, longitude, and the units that I want to get back, and it tells me what the current temperature is and a summary of the weather. Now, this is a mountain town, though, and as we know, the weather on the mountain is going to be a lot different than the weather that's down in the valley, and I want to improve this somehow. So how can I do that while still staying no code? So I'll show you an example here. I'm going to edit the draft, and I've already built a custom action using Summit called Get Mountain Weather. And what this does is it allows me to run a model that's living inside my Summit account, which I'll show you in a minute, and I can pass to this a location and get back all the data that I want to about that mountain weather. So this is what I want to use now instead of, or in order to augment that local weather report. And the way I built this was still staying in no code, coming over to Summit. I was able to use Summit's no code canvas to fetch the weather. This is using Scraping Bee, which is a very popular scraping tool. I'm actually scraping the data off of the mountain weather website. And then I'm using Summit's built-in functions to parse the result data, the JSON that comes back from that Scraping Bee action, pull out the temperature data and the snow data, and then return it as a model. Now, what makes Summit special is we know where you want to use this data and that you want to use it inside of your no-code builder. So rather than just having the model run, we also give you the ability to publish this as an API that Zapier and other no-code builders understand. So every model that you build inside of Summit is instantly available to you to consume the results of it inside your builder. So when I come back to this app and event, you can see I can run a model. I actually get to choose the model that I'm running. So in this case, it's this Breck Mountain weather model, but every model that I have in my account is available to me to call and use the responses of in my workflows. Summit allows you to build models that can calculate, crunch, and do many, many things, including grabbing data, transforming it, running calculations, simulations, forecast. It's pretty endless, and we'd love to teach you more. If you're interested, please head to usesummit.com and sign up and say that you're interested in the model builder, and we will help you get on board. Thanks.